Best practices for Absa Bank chat support involve a combination of technical skills and excellent customer service. To start, it is essential to understand the importance of chat support in providing immediate assistance to customers. Absa Bank's chat support is designed to help customers with their queries and issues in a timely and efficient manner. The first step in providing effective chat support is to greet the customer warmly and introduce yourself. This sets the tone for the conversation and makes the customer feel valued. It is crucial to be friendly, approachable, and professional in your greeting. Next, it is vital to understand the customer's query or issue. This involves actively listening to what the customer has to say and asking clarifying questions to ensure you understand their problem. It is essential to be patient and empathetic when dealing with customers, especially if they are experiencing frustration or anxiety. Once you have understood the customer's issue, you can begin to provide a solution. This may involve providing information, answering questions, or offering guidance on how to resolve the problem. It is essential to be knowledgeable about Absa Bank's products and services and to have access to relevant information and resources. When providing a solution, it is crucial to be clear and concise in your communication. Avoid using technical jargon or complex language that may confuse the customer. Instead, use simple and straightforward language that is easy to understand. In addition to providing a solution, it is also essential to ensure that the customer is satisfied with the outcome. This involves checking in with the customer to ensure that their issue has been resolved and that they are happy with the solution. It is also an opportunity to gather feedback and improve the chat support service. Some best practices for Absa Bank chat support include responding promptly to customer queries, being proactive in resolving issues, and following up with customers to ensure they are satisfied. It is also essential to maintain confidentiality and handle customer information with care. To illustrate these best practices, consider the following example. A customer contacts Absa Bank's chat support because they are having trouble with their online banking. The chat support agent greets the customer warmly, listens to their issue, and asks clarifying questions to understand the problem. The agent then provides a clear and concise solution, which involves guiding the customer through the process of resetting their password. The agent checks in with the customer to ensure that the issue has been resolved and gathers feedback to improve the chat support service. In conclusion, providing effective chat support for Absa Bank involves a combination of technical skills and excellent customer service. By following best practices such as responding promptly, being proactive, and maintaining confidentiality, chat support agents can provide a high-quality service that meets the needs of customers.